To everyone present here today, most especially to the couple who have finally decided to take on the journey to forever. So we have with us this morning Mr. Jack Gregory Eldridge and Ma'am Rodjane Lorion Tapuyaw, who have finally decided to marry, to be together, and start a new life as a couple. And with all our prayers that both of you will indeed be together forever. So for a start, I would like to introduce myself. I am Mayor Janice Vallega de Gamo of the Municipality of Pamplona, and I am here to officiate your civil wedding ceremony. A civil wedding ceremony, just like a ceremony that will be officiated by a priest or a pastor, is as legal as binding and it is as legal as binding and as true as a ceremony officiated by a pastor and held in church. This morning, your presence and your decision to be here today, I am quite sure that both of you also have decided to really take on and seriously put yourselves in a marriage that is truly true, legal, and binding. That's why you decided to come together today along with your witnesses, friends, and family to help you celebrate this very special day for both of you. So, before we continue, I would like to recognize special people you have invited to serve as your witness in today's ceremony. And in a little while, as we go on with our ceremony, we will also be encouraging our witnesses to also give some words or pieces of advice and well wishes for both of you, so that you will also be able to hear from them and be able to take their word and consider it as you will start a new life together. Especially since there's this, how do you call it ba? Dili man pud gap, no? But the differences in terms of culture and background is something I believe both of you should really consider and meet at the center or meet halfway, so that indeed it will be a lasting marriage for both of you. So malinaw po ta sa inyong mga witnesses na naa today. But for a start, I would like to recognize your witnesses today. I believe they are here already, Mr. Ronaldo Junio and Ma'am Maricar Junio. Atong palakpakan. And Mr. Francis Ray Bracamonte and Ma'am Rosalia Bracamonte, also with us. So let's also recognize the parents of the bride. The mother of the bride, Ma'am Virgilia Paladero Lorion. And Jack do not have you don't have your parents with you or family member. Sige, so let us start. No? May I request both of you to please rise? And I have a few questions to ask. I will begin with Jack. Jack Gregory Eldridge, do you accept this woman, Rodjane Lorion Tapuyaw, to be your lawfully wedded wife? And do you promise and covenant before God and these witnesses that you will love her and be faithful to her your entire life, for richer or for poorer, for better or for worse, in sickness and in health, as long as you both shall live? Will you please look her in the eye and hold her hand as you say your I do?
Yes, I do.
Rodgin Lorion Tapuyaw, do you accept this man, Jack Gregory Eldridge, to be your lawfully wedded husband? And do you promise and covenant before God and these witnesses that you will love him and be faithful to him your entire life, for richer or for poorer, for better or for worse, in sickness and in health, as long as you both shall live?
Yes, I do.
Do you have rings with you to symbolize the union? Kalibalo ba ta nga nung ring ang symbol of being taken already? Kinsay nakahibalo na ako no'y premyo ingon si Jack. Jack, I am curious. You know why a ring should symbolize the union of a couple?
I think it bonds us together for life.
It bonds you together for life. It being round, it shows eternity. Meaning, the love you should share has no beginning and no end. Okay? Because I suppose when Rodgin woke up one morning, she is surprised that she is already in love with you. Is it right, Rodgin? You know, right? Okay. So that's it. No, muna yung reason, ganong sing-sing. It will bind you together, and because it is round, it symbolizes eternity. Sige, so I think Jack will be the first to put the ring at the ring finger of Rodgin. And as you say, and as you put in the ring, please repeat after me. Don't we need the microphone?